Winter 2026 is officially the season where skirts replace trousers. Y'all don't believe me? Y'all don't believe me, or y'all don't want to try it? And I'm not talking about dressing cute just to freeze. We're going to style skirts the same way we style pants. Layered, oversized, sporty, and functional. So let's break down how this trend is actually being worn, how to style it, fabrics that matter for winter. Okay, so I came downstairs. I wanted to get my iPad and talk about the skirts that I'm loving. So let's talk about this first skirt. I'm loving this skirt. This skirt looks like it could be part of a gown, but the way she styled it brought the edge to it. First of all, the color, because it could be the same fabric in another color, you might not be able to bring the edge to it. So first of all, the color, the olive green color, makes it to where, okay, you can definitely pair this with like browns, creams, blacks, but the black, which is what she chose, is what brought the edge to it. And the bomber, the glasses, the purse, the hair, she brought the edge to the skirt. And I'm loving that. That is the silhouette that I'm talking about. That's the silhouette that's baggy pants, you know. That's a silhouette that's replacing baggy pants. You get what I'm saying? So that's just one. I have many. Next up, we have the leather midi skirt. Pretty fitted, tucked in, furry, looks like a mohair sweater with a collared shirt underneath. Love this. First of all, love the color combo. Love the color blocking with the gray and the heather gray and the merlot or oxblood or whatever color you want to call it. I love leather in this color so bad. It's so good. But yeah, this right here, perfect. This could easily be like a plain black trouser or even a maroon trouser. It doesn't matter. It's a skirt and it's elevated. I love it so much. Okay, so next up is a skirt similar to the one that I did in a previous video. I like those tulip skirts. It's like really fitted in the hips all the way down the thigh, and then it tulips out. I love that skirt. I think it looks so good on my body type because I'm short, but I'm curvy. So I think having something tight in the middle makes it look good. You know what I'm saying? I love the slouchy sweater and the big brooch she has on with it. This is a more dressed up look. This skirt can be styled in so many ways. If you remember the video where I made two skirts, one was a midi and one was a maxi. Okay, this look, first of all, I love the color combo. So let's talk about the color combo. Brown, heather gray, regular gray, black, chef's kiss. Now, she has no stocking on. She just has a sock and a shoe. Like, she doesn't have any stockings on. Of course, you can wear a stocking underneath that. You can do a black stocking. You can do a cream stocking. You can do a brown stocking. So, of course, with winter and that big of a split, you want to do a stocking, right? The thing about this, I love the styling on it. Like, the bag that she paired with it, the double belts that she paired with it, the styling on this, immaculate. Now this one right here, this might be my favorite. It's one of my favorite because I love the fact that she layered the t-shirt, the Adidas shirt, with a crew neck, and I just love the fact that this could have easily been jogging pants. Instead, it's a skirt. This could have easily been track pants. Instead, it's a skirt. And that's what just elevates it. It takes it to the next level. It replaces the silhouette of just being pants, you know? And while we're in the midst of our sporty kick, we have the the fitted midi Adidas set. This looks so good on me. This set fits me like a glove. I don't have this actual set, but when I pair a fitted midi with a fitted track jacket, it's a silhouette. And I love a boot with it. I love a suede, pointy toe, round toe boot with it. Such a good one. Such a good one. And I love this red. I love this bright red. It just looks so good on her. Next up, we have another sporty look. So this is paired. This could easily be jogging pants, sweats, you know. But it's a skirt paired with a crew neck, like a graphic crew neck, and some tennis shoes. Super cute. She could to go outside and make it winter. She could style this with a bomber jacket, a puffer jacket. Either or would be really, really cute. Okay, so next up we have a mini skirt. Love me a mini. And it is paired with this oversized crew neck with a collared shirt underneath. A mini looks so good with the oversized top. Or, especially in the winter, okay? And then she's got, of course, tights and boots on, right? But especially in the winter, even if she would have had like an oversized jacket, like a fitted top, but yet like an oversized jacket hanging down, even past the mini skirt would be super cute. But I love the little silhouette of the mini hanging out of an oversized crew neck because it gives like that tulip, you know, that paper bag moment, you know, like that cinched in paper bag or something. Another silhouette that I absolutely love is an exaggerated maxi skirt, right? A crop bomber that just cinches right in at the waist, but with an exaggerated shoulder. Your hair being pulled back is a plus, or like a bob, something really short, like a pixie cut, a bob, your hair pulled back in a ponytail, pulled up in a bun. Anything letting that shoulder do its thing with the exaggerated skirt, I love that silhouette. This could easily be trousers, but it's a skirt. That's what I keep telling y'all. These could easily be trousers, but it's a skirt. And I'm telling you, it would be overlooked a little bit if it was just trousers. Ooh, this is a good one, guys. This is a good one. I love me a asymmetrical, a train, an exaggerated bottom to a denim skirt. Like, I love me a Rick Owens moment in a denim skirt. I love that. I love this sweater. This sweater's almost, it's super, super casual, oversized. I love that it's tucked in so it shows the waist a little bit. And this right here, oh my God. If it wasn't for the styling, I'm telling you, nobody would look at this like it was anything, okay? But the fact that she put the Miu Miu shorts underneath, the fact that she put the lace stockings underneath, and then she put a belt on with it, that just elevated this skirt times 10. And I'm loving this look. I have a skirt like this. And I have stockings like that. I don't have the Miu Miu shorts, but it's so, so, so cute.